Oh. Yeah? Are you talking about last time? Whoa, shit! Fuck, dude. Oh, shit! God damn, dude. God damn it. Is that the only thing that fell? That's the only thing that went out, right? Alright, cool. Dude, that shit just took my boat. My fault. Ugh. Yeah, no, I did not expect that to happen. Yeah. Oh, I thought your boat almost sunk and was gone for the world of. Yeah. Yeah, dude. I'm glad that shit didn't happen down trail. Or up trail, I mean. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah. Well, let's just. Here. I'd say just fucking flip to the side. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Now back up. Yeah, man, my fucking foot was stuck in the damn boat, so I couldn't